Okay, let's dive right into this. Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're taking a look at a real blueprint for mastering AI, and we're getting it straight from the source, OpenAI's AI Foundations course. Now, even if you're already following the super rapid pace of AI these days, this course is designed to give you a really structured, no-nonsense way to fill in any gaps and level you up into a highly capable user. So let's see exactly how it's laid out. On the agenda for today's explainer, we've got four key areas. First up, the OpenAI mission. Second, your 5 learning goals. Third, what to actually expect inside the course. And finally, number 4, setting up for success. All right, starting us off with section 1, the OpenAI mission, benefiting humanity. So OpenAI has this huge foundational mission to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. I mean, it's a massive, ambitious goal, right? But a huge part of actually pulling that off relies heavily on education. Because for AI to truly benefit everyone, well, it kind of has to be understood by everyone. So by diving into this material, you aren't just learning a new piece of software, you're actually participating in this much broader mission to democratize the technology. Moving right along to section 2, your 5 learning goals, moving from novice to capable. This whole course is built on a really logical 5-step progression. Step 1 is all about explaining AI and large language models, but without all that confusing jargon. Then step 2 is understanding exactly how ChatGPT works at a high level. Step 3 gets super practical. It's all about giving clearer prompts and providing the right context so you get great results. Step 4 introduces iteration, showing you how to review and refine the responses the AI gives you. And finally, step 5, using AI responsibly and actually applying human judgment. It is this perfectly designed curve taking you straight from theory right into everyday application. Next up is section 3, what to expect inside practical learning. The course is really built to balance 2 main pillars. On one side, you have how AI works, and on the other, how to work with it effectively and responsibly. So you're not just getting some dry computer science lecture, right? But you're also not getting a random list of disconnected tips. The fundamentals actually inform the practice. It's like understanding the mechanics of the engine just naturally makes you a way better driver. And the way they deliver this is incredibly accessible. We're talking short lessons, lots of rich examples, and super practical guidance. So rather than forcing you to sit through long, tedious videos, you get to engage with these really digestible, bite-sized activities. By breaking AI down into these focused little chunks, you can test ideas safely, apply what you've just learned immediately, and completely avoid that feeling of being overwhelmed. Plus, when you successfully finish all the modules, you'll earn a shiny course completion certificate. And honestly, in today's digital landscape where literally everyone is suddenly claiming to be an AI expert, having a foundational certificate directly from the folks who created ChatGPT, yeah, that is a fantastic, highly shareable way to officially validate your new skills. Which brings us to section 4, setting up for success, your pre-flight checklist. To get the absolute most out of this course, you'll definitely want to follow this quick pre-flight checklist. First off, stick to a desktop or a laptop computer. You're going to be copying, pasting, and analyzing text. And let me tell you, that is pretty tough to do on a tiny mobile device screen. Second, make sure you have ChatGPT open right alongside the course for active practice. And third, just double check that you're actually using the chat interface within ChatGPT so you eliminate any friction while you're learning. In fact, the course materials explicitly instruct you to open ChatGPT in a new tab. Seriously, do not skip this step. Having that tab open acts as your personal sandbox. It's basically a laboratory where all the concepts we've been talking about instantly come to life, letting you experiment with everything in real time. And that brings us to maybe the most important question of all. How are you going to connect AI to your own work or goals? Because really, all this foundational knowledge is only useful if it actually solves a problem or creates a new opportunity for you. Are you trying to write clearer emails? Maybe code faster? Brainstorm a new marketing campaign? Whatever your specific goal is, this foundational course is the key to unlocking it. So go ahead and get your laptop ready, open up that new tab, and prepare to master the fundamentals. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and happy learning.